Hello all, welcome back to my Gurukul. Today's video I want to share something which is very unhappy, or rather makes you feel sad, because I always feel that you need to share both the pros and cons of gardening, right? In Chennai cyclone effect, we have a very dry weather from past 2-3 days, and the temperature is soaring high. It's extremely heat and sultry, humid, right? So you're sweating continuously. Even now when I'm talking to you, I'm just sweating. Right? So I will just show you that I have so many flowers on the tomato plant, but no tomatoes. And I had so many flowers in the lemon plant, but no lemon. And I had a watermelon which I had self-pollinated, and it's still lying as a small fruit. Okay, so I'll show you all this today, including the bean. Can you see the bean behind me? Yes, I will focus it and show it to you now. So this is my watermelon plant, right? It's completely dried up, but the watermelon is still there. Can you see this melon? Yeah, the melon is still there. Can you see this? Yes. So here it is. No leaf, it's all completely dried up. I watered it though. This is the okra or the lady's finger or the bendi plant. Yes, there is a lady's finger here. Right? So it's pretty. It's not, because you know how you buy the lady's finger, right? You try to break the tip, and if it is nice, then you try to collect it, but it's so difficult to do that. Okay, so next I'll show you the beans plant. This is the bean plant which has grown nicely. The creepers are up on the net, but I will focus at least one or two and show it to you. Can you see this? So this is how extreme heat, and probably it's given me already 4 and 5 harvests. It's the 5th harvest it's trying to give it to me. I think I have added a lot of. Okay, this bean look nice, this beans look nice, and this also looks good. This looks good. But then can you see there's so many flowers? The flowers are up, but because of the heat they all are drying up. Right? This looks beautiful. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Long beans. Karamani, I think they call in Tamil. So bean. Yeah, this also looks good. But you know what? They are not healthy enough inside. I mean, within inside, they don't have that many seeds, or not very healthy though. Okay, can you see this now? This is grown up and dried up. Yes, so this is the effect of extreme heat, right? Plants not growing well. And I will tell you, I have a cat menace now, and the cats are actually spoiling my entire garden. There were a lot of things, so it's come here and destroyed all of these. Of course, the cats doesn't know that it's my garden. It's a playtime for them, and they're 3 kittens, so basically this has become a playground for them, right? They get all possible waste into this particular place of mine. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Now this is again bean, which is just growing up. I'll show you. This is radish. Okay, it was growing up pretty good, but then effect of sun, again too much of heat. That is radish. I had just planted or experimented with one, hoping it will grow. I had okay, this is lemon. I had such beautiful lemon. I had 5 of them, only one is left. Can you see this? Yeah, only one lemon is left out now, and that's in the same shape and size from past 1 month. It's not growing up. I have given nutrients, I've given vermicompost, but nothing seems to work for it. So I am having new leaf though. I'm having new leaves though. New beautiful leaves, green in color, but then no harvest, right? Okay, so this is tomato. Can you see how tall it's grown? They don't grow this tall, I felt, right? I'll show you the number of flowers we have, right? You'll be so happy to see the flowers, but no fruiting happening. So flower. Okay, we'll track. I think we'll try to take some time for the camera to focus. Yeah, flowers. The flowers are up. The flowers are not falling, right? They are just getting dried up. See, can you see this flower? It's just getting dried up. No fruits. Lot of flowers. See, can you see this? So many flowers. All tomato. All of them, if all of these would have fruited, I have had a good harvest. But then, no, it's not happening. Yes. Why do you have to always share, that I am having good harvest? Sometimes even these happen, isn't it? Okay, now I'll show you another one. This is bottle garden, right? It had grown up very beautifully. Can you see the spikes on them? But then, as usual, my kittens are having they have assumed that it is their playground and tried to pull the entire plant out. But then we have tried to sow it, so just hoping. Can you see something is eaten the leaves too? Yeah. This is rich gourd. This isn't growing, but this is growing up. I'm just crossing my fingers. Yeah, so this is rich gourd. Yes. I hope it will catch up to the net. Right, it will take some time. Rich gourd. Right, I have two more. This isn't growing. This is in the same. Probably it isn't growing. The growth rate is becoming very, very slow, and even this is slow. So I had 1, 2 not working. Only one plant is working. The other one is just catching up now. Yeah. The other one, mercy of the cats. If it survives, it will. Yes. So there was one other one here. Can you see this? All gone. Yeah. Okay, so kitchen waste composting is happening here. It's happening here. This is also kitchen waste itself, but probably when we throw the kitchen waste, there'll definitely be few seeds. I think one of these seeds or few of these seeds are just trying to catch up. Yeah, I'll show you lady's finger. I think I'll have to pull all of these and then try to plant new ones. Right, this has given me 2 harvests. This has given me the 2 harvests, and after which it's just growing tall and no harvest or no flowers coming up there. Okay, I'll show you what my cats have done. Not mine actually, something which is there in the. You can see this. Yeah, I'll show you another very terrible scene. It's taken out the garbage can from somebody and tried to dirty the entire place. This is from somebody's house. It's just got the garbage and tried to spoil. Now they started to dig into the grow bags too. Yeah, so I'll show you one more tomato plant. Look at this, such beautiful flowers. How many flowers here? No fruiting happening. Either extreme heat or what, I don't know. So if any of you, one of my subscribers, are gardening, are garden lovers, or are pro at gardening, please do let me know what do I have to do. We have complete lockdown happening, so I can't visit a nursery. I can't visit any nursery to buy Epsom salt or anything. Any homemade recipe, if you have any any homemade remedy, if you have, then please do share. But I feel so lovely to see these flowers. Yes. I have tomatoes everywhere, but no, I have not got even one. This is pineapple. It's growing very well. It's growing beautifully. I don't know whether we will have a pineapple though. Yeah, I have rodents menace. Can you see this? See, rodents, cat menace. They are trying to dig up all my grow bags. Can you see this? All plastic waste. Of course, it is we who are giving them the plastic. Not to blame them though. Yeah, I have so many tomatoes. Tomato plant. One more drying up. One more drying up. I had a lot of tomato plants. I really thought of harvesting good amount of tomato and trying to put a tomato pickle, but it's not happening. Plant is really having few good ones. Yeah, just trying and hoping that I will be able to harvest all of these. Yes. Yeah. And new fresh green leaves coming up. I'm happy with them. Trying to water them a bit. And this area is gone for a toss. This area was the place where we were trying to make our own garden. Can you see? All is gone with wind. A little bit of course we did not have the cyclone, but we did have extreme wind, and the cats and the rodents not letting me do anything. I did invest a lot of things on the mesh too, but it's okay. We'll try until we succeed. Yes. So this is it for today. Want to see the neem? Oh, that's the neem. Yeah. So that is all for today. What we are facing, right? I think a lot of people who don't have a terrace, or who are doing gardening in the ground floor, are prone to face this, right? Some kind of a rodent menace, or the cat, dogs, or any other animals, right? Insects, pest menace. This is bound to happen in a garden, and especially in a summertime. All right. So we will try to grow and grow and regrow, and never try to give up. All right. So focusing back onto the beans, this is the one which makes us look very, very happy though. Yeah, at least some beans around. I'll get you back with another video. Till then, stay tuned to us, and if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And yes, if you have any home remedy for me to prevent the tomato flowers from drying up, then please do share it with me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.